Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel The Forex Nexus. After a long time we are recording a video. Today we will discuss re-entry power in Bbma, that what kind of re-entry is powerful and why re-entry is more powerful in Bbma. Let's look out and deep. Suppose here we have some re-entry examples like this one. Now if you see here, we have momentum, okay, and in Bbma once the market is forming momentum, that means market have potential to go more upside. We don't, like other strategies, we don't work on the resistance zones, okay. So we have resistance zones like top BB, mid BB and low BB, okay, we have, but it's moving side by side with market. Now if we mark the current area, so the previous re-entry area on daily time frame, so now on H4 time frame, what we need a reversal, okay, we need reversal. Remember, in Bbma we don't take any trade on extreme points. Malaysian traders, they are taking trades, but according to my experience, if I look back to the charts, extreme is not an entry point. That's why we have TP mandatory, but in my course I don't teach about taking trades on extreme, because extreme is just a reversal sign. It's not a confirmation for executing any trade, buy or sell, but it's in a reversal point. Market can reverse from that point. So for that we need MLV on third time frame. If we got MLV, then market can fly. Now we have different types of MLV that sometime market can form here, sometime market can form such a pattern and then it can fly. Sometimes it's breaking the previous low point and sometimes it's forming CST and then up, sometimes triple bottom. But market is forming these patterns and it's going upside, giving a market can follow the high time frame trend. Now why Bbma is more powerful than other strategies? Because if we look here and we on H1 time frame and we draw another trend, so market already break trend line on H1 time frame. Also on H4 time frame we got a trend breakout, but in Bbma it's more powerful. If we mark these areas like this one, these one, so and recently, last night market got re-entry by on H4 time frame, okay. Now here see, it's a confirmation here on H4, on H1 time frame. Here we got another confirmation, here we got another one. So if market is dropping to low BB on daily time frame, that's mean market is forming a weekly re-entry. If market is coming on H4 low BB like this one, let me remove. So here market dropped to low BB here on daily time frame, it's a week daily re-entry. So that's why it's quite different from other strategies. And if we look to the Bbma re-entry concept, Let me explain more. Market is moving upside, forming momentum, okay, forming momentum, and market is giving a re-entry, so we can hold our trades. This is why it's powerful, because Bollinger Band is expanding and showing, it's telling us many more things, that if top BB is expanding in a bullish trend, that's mean market have potential to go more upside. Okay, so Bollinger Band is very important in BBMA. Now MA 510 high and MA 510 low, that's active supply zone in BBMA, but it's moving side by side with market. If we look to the MA 510 low at the bullish trend, market is respecting these zones. Okay, that's why we are going with trend. Now on H4, if we look to H4, we have strong bullish trend on gold. People are waiting for selling here. Many traders are posting selling from this point. Okay, but we don't have any selling confirmation here. Market have potential to go more upside, so we can wait for the confirmation. Otherwise we are not working on 50% trend shift. If market is in simple words, we don't work on half trend. Okay, half trend breakout. We need fully shifted trend from bullish to bearish, then we will look for the opportunities. But here EMAs, Bollinger Bands on daily, weekly, as well as on monthly time frame, we have still bullish trend, and market is going more up and up. Now yesterday we post here daily reentry zone on German 40. Okay, on German 40 we posted this in our Telegram group. You can join our Telegram community. I will post the link in bio, so you can click on it and you can join our Telegram free community. That's free. Every day we are posting signals in our Telegram community, so you can get guidance, you can get daily analysis for free. We are not charging, so you can get a free here. Now here German 40, so how it will look like for further move. Market form already, we got MLV here, so market dropped. Yesterday we was waiting for here for buy on H4, but you can see here first market respected the mid BB reentry, went 70 pips up, then start melting from that point, didn't respect the H4 re-entry because there was no buy momentum. Okay, so from that point market start dropping here, and it's a re-entry buy zone on daily time frame. Now how we will hold our trades. So from here market is moving for MA 510 high on H4 time frame. Here this is H4 area, so if we got momentum and breakout on MA 510 high H4 time frame, then market will give us a re-entry, and then we will buy here again. Okay, but this is key level. From here market can reverse as well, so we will focus on that area, this one on H4 MA 510 high. So market has already entered to an MA 510 high area. Now we will wait for here. If we got momentum here, then we will hold. If market failed here, okay, then we will wait for a re-entry we can take a counter trade with low risk, okay, because daily trend is still bullish. Okay, market got a fresh momentum. Now see here, we got momentum, re-entry, then again inside momentum, then re-entry here, again momentum, now re-entry here. So after a couple of days, market is always make correction on higher time frame. If we look closely to H4 time frame, on H4 time frame we got re-entries, many re-entries, okay, many re-entries for buy. Now it's time for daily, and we still market need to make a weekly re-entry, because here Bbma 510 low after momentum, okay, and this re-entry I was expected to meet BB. My students know this point, that why I was expecting this, but they know it. Now here we got momentum, continuously we are getting momentum on weekly time frame. So we can expect a weekly re-entry, but we will confirm it on daily time frame. If daily losing its momentum, then market can retrace back to Bbma 510 low. That's for sure. Okay, that's for sure. So on German 40 we have a strong bullish trend that's confirmed, as well as on gold. Gold is making high. See, it's a fresh zone. Now they don't know, because they don't have any left side data. Okay, mostly traders, if you have left side, okay, they always look to the left side of the chart, but here it's empty here. So they don't have any resistance or supply zone here. Market is forming a fresh area. Even here Fibonacci levels, it's not working here. Okay, even Fibo is not working here. Only Bbma can survive. Only Bbma. You can identify the levels in higher points in Bbma. Okay, so Bbma is fresh now, not fresh, but it's not popular. But once people start learning it, hopefully it will beat all the strategies. Every strategy is working. I'm not telling that strategies are not working. It's working definitely, but Bbma is more powerful. Bbma is more powerful. You don't need to add any other extra tool with Bbma. Remember this, you don't need to add any other extra tool with Bbma. Mostly I am seeing that mostly members in my community as well, they are using supply and demand, order blocks, mixing with SMC, sometime they are using ICT, they are working on FVGs. First they are marking fair value gap, then waiting for confirmation there on Bbma. But if you look closely, if you understand the basics of Bbma, you don't need to add any extra tool with Bbma. It's enough alone. Okay, it's working perfectly without making any other extra confirmation or mixing with other strategies. So this is the re-entry concept, that how re-entry is working in Bbma. On first time frame we need re-entry, okay, and we have specific rules for that. Okay, in my mentorship program I am explaining that if your first time frame is okay, if your first time frame is good to go, then you can move to the second confirmation on second time frame. Okay, because multi-time frame analysis is important. Without multi-time frame analysis, we can't analyze the market on BBMA strategy. So that's why it's important. On second time frame, we need extreme. Sometimes market is forming extreme, so they are asking what kind of extreme. So it's clear now. Any type of extreme, if it's extreme A, B, C, magic or advanced, and mostly diamond setup on second time frame. So if you got any confirmation there, move to third time frame and wait for the MLV, then you can take your shot. Okay. Why I'm suggesting MLV? Because the win ratio is above 80%. Then other codes like REE, RRE. So if extreme is not an entry point, then why I am using it on third time frame? That's a big question. But everyone have right. They can take their own trade on their own decisions. Okay. But I'm suggesting that single code REM, and you can make a good money with BBMA. Now let's move to US 30. If we look closely to US 30, it's ranging from last couple of days. That's why the scenario is not clear. But on daily time frame and weekly, it's on monthly time frame, it's clear, showing upside momentum. Weekly have, or if we got here, if we get a re-entry here, then it will be awesome. We can make confirmation on daily and H4. But on a smaller time frame like H1, H4, M15, it's totally consolidation. Okay, market is totally ranging. In BBMA we need a clear move. So here we can also take a trades here, but you can see the manipulation here. Market can manipulate and can hit your stop losses. Okay, so this is the overall view of gold, German 40 and US 30, especially for re-entry concept. I think it will be clear now that why we are focusing on re-entries. Okay, and we have specific patterns for reversals. Okay, that's not in the code. That's you can get it after a long time practicing on BBMA, so you can understand the Bollinger Band behavior and market behavior. BBMA is not working on prices. That's clear now. You need to learn about the market behavior. Okay, you need to catch that, and with BBMA you can easily get there. That's for sure. If you have any question regarding this lesson, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you didn't join our Telegram community, so must join our Telegram community. Thank you for watching the video. Must subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. Thank you for watching the video.